My Pukadabona.
Not that one.
Huh?
Not that one.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
We're not going with this one.
So are we going on a private jet?
Chukwudo's here, that is a private jet.
That is what? Huh? Hey! Hey! Amanato! Amanato! Hey! No! No! My prince! No! Can you remember? Huh? Am I dreaming? Wake me up! Wake me up, my prince! This, Keke? No! No! Tell me what is happening here? What is going on? I deserve to know what is going on!
Put the bag. We're living with this one. I have already paid for the parking seats. Eh? They will take care of the car for as long as I want it to be here. Put it. Let's go.
That will be over my dead body. Let me tell you. Tito's here will not enter this Keke. Who does that? From tinted car to Keke? No! My prince.
I give the orders around here.
No, it is not a matter of orders, so. No! Okay, if you want to orders.
Get those bags and put them here.
Hey! Hey!
Chido's here.
Hey! Hey! Amanato! Should this be a sign of madness or what? Okay. No problem. A homie, special advisor, personal aid to the priest.
Place the bags well.
Now, Iyke. Huh? Huh? I am not entering this Keke. It's better I die here.
Yeah.
It's better I die here.
You know what? I agree with you. I think you're going to die here. For when my father traces you and finds you here, before he beheads you, please, I hope you can defend yourself.
Even my king will support me. It's better I die here. Move. I move my dead body. I want me keep. Huh? No. My friends want to live. My friends want to live. My friends.
My queen, why have you decided to keep me at arm's length these few days?
I'm sorry, my king. I'm just not myself. Which woman would you deprive her source of joy and expect her to be happy? Tell me, my king. I have decided to go be with my sister for the meantime.
But why are you making the whole thing look as if it's my fault? I was not the one that brought up the whole idea.
Look, my king, you had every chance to halt this mission. But no, you supported it to happen. And now, I can't sleep.
Come on, let's forget about all this. Okay? I will make it up to you. Can you follow me for this summer holiday?
I am going nowhere. I just want to be with my sister.
But I've given our children my word. I told them I would take good care of you.
I will not go to UK.
This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Our culture. And
sister, why are you doing all this? Eh? Why are you doing all this? Why are you taking so much time to accept this young, handsome, rich man? Come on, sister, this man is nice, for crying out loud. Please.
How was school today?
Sister, forget about my school. Forget about my school. Enough of this, Abigail. Obviously, you're beginning to cross your boundaries. What is wrong with you? Huh? Since when did you start advising me about a man? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But you have to save us from this. You really have to save us from this whole thing. This place. Okay. That's enough. You've had your meal, and I think you have it to the fullest. I think it's time for you to... You need to go. What are you, sister?
Hi,
Good afternoon, sir.
how are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope no problem.
Oh, no, not at all. We're fine.
Yes.
Abigail, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Ifnaya, how are you?
I'm very well, very fine.
Good.
You need to...
Okay. I'll leave the both of you now. Let me go and do my assignment in the house.
Oh, now you remember you have assignments. And make sure you concentrate while you're at it.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Uncle Irene.
Sir, we don't have white soup available. I don't know if you want something else.
No. I didn't even come here to eat. Actually came here to apologize to you for the other day. I might have said something wrong to you.
Sir, no, it's not a problem. I hold nothing against you. I just need time to think. I don't know if you can do that for me.
Okay, I will do that. So what about Madam Mary?
She said I need to go inside now.
Ifnaya.
I'm going to try my best with them. I think the best thing is...
Okay. I will do that.
Because there's no way we can force her here. You know.
Yeah. I think I should give her some time.
Honestly.
To come around.
Yes.
Give me the bag.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My
How is the
daughter.
service like?
I'm fine, but I'm done service, sir.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Ma, my leave.
No problem, my son. Drive safe, eh? No,
Take care of yourself.
please drive safe, eh? Your money again. Oh. Thank you, eh? Bye-bye.
Mama, who is this handsome, sweet, gentle guy? Is he your customer, Mama?
My customer, they don't worry. I will tell you everything you need to know. Let's
Mama,
go
you
inside.
need to tell me. You need to tell me.
Let's
This
go
one is so
inside.
cute.
Follow me inside the shop. Eh?
Mama, I miss you. Mama, I've missed you.
I miss you too, my child.
Now, bro, wait, take a minute now. See, make I tell you, eh? If you enter any bottle again, it goes to the slap. Hey! Hey!
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. I have slow down. Let's enter.
Hey!
I thank God, finally. Eh?
you are done with this school.
Yes, so.
Congratulations.
Mama, thank you very much.
Congratulations, my child.
God too. Hey, I'm tired.
Auntie Sandra.
Welcome.
Thank you. And I want to say congratulations too.
Yes,
Thank you very much. So how is biz? Business is booming, We are doing very well. Ask Mama.
God has been faithful. Very, very faithful in everything.
Are you serious?
Are we not trying?
Like everywhere.
Soft landing. We are trying.
You are trying. Mama, we're trying now.
Thank God, I'm happy for you. Please check the water for the semovita if it's ready.
Oh, okay. Auntie Sandra, I like your hair.
Welcome. Get her much, let her chill off, please. Okay. Get her much, fast. In fact, do that first. You need it to cool off.
Beauty is in the eyes of behold. One name, God's beauty is inside. When you want to see beauty, you must sacrifice and relax your mind, dear. You must sacrifice. You must make it move. This is Africa, our mother's land. Ooh. I am ready for the task. I know what I want. I say prince. I am ready for the humiliations.
What are we doing here?
This is our new house. This is where we're going to be staying.
Ginonye, you and who?
Me and you.
My prince, are you sleeping? Or they put juju for their mouth? Who is the person that did this to you? Tell me. Who is the person that scammed you? Let me go and deal with that person.
Move the bags aside.
This house? No. Hey, my prince, you must tell me the agent that did this to you. To my prince, a whole prince of Amanato Kingdom. We are not going to enter this house. I cannot stay here with you.
She does, yeah?
My prince.
Who am I to you?
My prince, you are the prince of Amanato Kingdom.
Who are you to me?
I am your special advisor and...
And whose orders do you go by?
My prince, this is not about the order. This is not...
does, yeah? Answer my question.
Your order, my prince.
I'm ordering you as a prince to take the bags inside. Now, you find your way from here. Choice is yours to make.
My prince, this is not fair. This is not fair. Hey! 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 What is this, self? This is my prince, Nwokoye with the common sense. Why is it that people that stays abroad for too long behave as if they suck cow breast when they were small? Hi. Hey! This is my prince Nwokoye with common sense.
Beauty is in the eyes of behold. One name, God's beauty is inside. When you want to see beauty, you must sacrifice and relax your mind, dear. You must sacrifice. You must make it move. This is Africa.
So what have you been doing? You mean you cannot mobilize your men to go and search for him? Come on. What are you talking about? Couldn't you mobilize your men to search for him? No. Your best is not good enough for me. Yes, mobilize every resource you have and locate my son. What is it? I mean, he is somewhere. I don't know what is happening to him. And you are there. What are you doing? Yes. As for Chidozie, I will deal with him for letting loose my son and exposing him to danger. It's all right. Just try your best, because as it is right now, your best is not good enough for me.
My prince. Why are you still here? Just lamenting. Come, get the bags.
Hey! Hey! Thank you, Teresa, after 1 month. Thank you, Teresa, after 1 month. My prince.
What is it?
Thank you, Teresa, after 1 month. My prince, what is this? Let me tell you. Even the poorest rats in this country cannot stay here and survive.
This boy. Chukwudozie.
My prince.
First and foremost, we are not rats, we are human beings. So we can survive by making this place habitable for us. We clean it up and set it up. That's one. Secondly, stop calling me your prince. We're here on a mission. If you blow my cover and people find out that I am royalty, thereby spoiling this mission for me, I am going to use a machete to cut your ear off. Am I clear?
Yes, my prince.
Am I very clear?
I've heard you.
Did you just call me your prince again? My name is Afam.
Okay.
Chukwudozie. My name is Afam Efuna.
Okay. But you know for now it will be difficult for me.
Find a way around it.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Listen to me, I'm going out. As you can see, we don't have nothing to sleep on, so I'll get a foam, a mattress, something. I'll get us a standing fan. Let me see, we need a stove, pots, plates, and I can do all of that. But I need you to clean this place up. By the time I'm back, I need this place all cleaned up.
Okay.
Chukwudozie, what did I say?
You said, as you can see, I'm going out to clean this house while I come back.
Is that what I said?
It's what I heard.
The prince is here. Our prince is here.
Chidozie, you are a fool. You are a big fool. Why did I even accept to embark on this journey? I should have said no. If not that he has collected my phone, I would have called His Majesty to come and save us from here. Because it is very obvious that the prince is now running mad. My cousin is now running mad. Can you imagine? What a house. How am I sure that this house does not belong to a mad woman? It is better we do something on time before she will come back at night and start raving mad at us.
I am ready for the task. I know what I want as a prince. I am ready for the humiliations. I'm determined. Nothing can quench me. I am.
Mama, are you serious?
My daughter, I tell you the honest truth. This man has been disturbing me tonight. Every now and then. I trust if Naya will tell you, please, let me think about it. Hey. Mama, that girl is possessed.
Mama, how can a man like that, a cute man like that, be disturbing if Naya of nobody, if Naya not wearing hot? And she's doing shakara. Mama,
You're back. Just relax yourself. You'll see things yourself. Just wait. By this time tomorrow, you will see the man. He will come by that same time. He will come here. I will wait, Mama.
You will watch and see things for you. So I don't need to explain further. I'm telling you, I will wait.
This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Beauty is in the eyes of behold. One name, cause beauty is inside. When you want to see beauty, you must sacrifice. And it lasts your mind, dear. You must sacrifice. You must make it move. This is Africa, our mother's land. I am ready for the task. I know what I want as a prince.
Father, please. Can you stop thinking? You are thinking way too much. We are acting like my brother is dead. He's still very much alive. Let's just wish him well, please.
He has switched off his phones. Why must he switch off his phones? Why?
That is because he doesn't want distractions from any of us. He wants to pay attention, he wants to concentrate for what he went for. Please, Father. For your health condition. For Mother. If you're worried this way, how will Mother be doing? Father, please. Please be strong. Please, Father.
This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage.
So how long? How long is it going to take for my son to return? When? Every day I go to his room to check on him as usual. He's nowhere to be found.
No, it's okay. Please. Let's just stop acting like my brother is dead. He's still very strong.
Is he still living?
Yes, Mother.
Then let him call me. I need to hear from my son.
Yes, Mother, he will.
I need to hear his voice.
I need to feel. Mother, please stop crying. Mother, please stop crying. Please. Mother, please. Please, Mom. Please stop crying.
Our culture and tradition are unique.
That's it.
Good morning, my prince. Good morning.
Yes. Stop calling me your prince. Stop calling me your prince.
Sorry, Okafam.
Why are you sleeping here?
My prince. You see, last night, the owners of this house could not allow me sleep. What? How can I even sleep in a house like this?
Well, you're the only ones here. What owners?
No, don't tell me as if you don't know what I'm talking about. I mean the rightful owner of this house. The bed box, cockroaches, mosquitoes. They were all around me.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about. This house, this place, was properly fumigated before we came in here. I made sure of that. So I don't know where you got that from.
I've just said my mind. I didn't sleep.
So how was your night?
My night?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it was so terrible. I had a terrible night.
Ah.
Oh, yes.
I see. Don't worry, you'll adjust. It's a matter of time. You'll be fine. This is our new home for now. You're used to it. Since we came here, have you been thinking of what kind of business we can do? Yes. I mean, we have to fit in.
Okay.
We have to fit into this community. What ideas do you have?
Okay.
Like what we can do for money. Like we have to go out every day, do business, make money, come back. What can we do?
Business? Business. Okay. Aha. I have it. Car business. Oh yes. I mean, London used cars, Belgium cars, even German cars. Yes.
I don't understand. Wait, what? Car business as in what? We repair these cars?
No, as in buying and selling. We buy, we sell.
To who? In this kind of area?
Buying and selling. We buy, we sell.
To who?
Let me tell you, Gaffer, let me tell you. You see, I saw this business in my dream. And the moment I saw it in my dream, I noticed that it will flourish. Trust me. My dreams always come to pass. You know I'm a dreamist. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, useless. Anyway, you know what? I've heard you. I will think about it. Car business.
Yes.
I'll think about it.
Thank you, my prince.
It is fine.
Thank you. I want to quickly rush somewhere.
Where? Where are you going?
Okay. I want to do shot put.
What is shot put?
My prince, you returned from America. You should know what I'm talking about. This is a Queen's language, Queen's English. Okay, let me break it up for you. Shot put, as in I want to go to the bush.
Yes.
To drop something from here, then it will run from here down to this place. And get inside the nylon. I'll wrap it, and wrap it. Then I will now fling it. Watch behind. I'll stay behind and watch until it gets to its destination.
So you cannot use the toilets here?
My prince, don't pretend as if you don't.
Stop calling me your prince.
Our prince, I'm sorry, Okafam. Don't pretend as if you don't know the kind of place you brought us. No bathroom, no toilet. Huh?
Go. No, go. Just go.
I should go.
Go.
Okay. Go. You can join me if you want to. It's a morning shot put.
Be back here before 12. We'll have this man will have to see. Let me even call him to confirm our meeting.
It's alright, I've heard you.
Alright, and I love you.
You said what I said. I said I love you. That's what I said. Alright, talk to you.
Mr. Henry, right? Who? The caller. Mr. Henry, right?
Well, no, Sandra. Far from it.
You know, your story baffles me a lot.
What story?
The story of a poor girl rejecting a rich guy like Mr. Henry.
Okay, well, in the past I've rejected a lot of them, so it is not a problem to me.
If Naya, what is wrong with you? I mean, Henry is every woman's dream, and here you are throwing things overboard. Why?
Okay, so I'll tell you this. I am not that every woman, as you said. I want pure and true love. I know what I want, and that I can't find in Henry. I know what my heart wants. It wants love. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
Are you serious? Look at you, Ifnaya. A poor girl like you wants love. Like, really? Let me advise you. You better open your eyes. Men like Henry are very rare. Accept him already. Now that it's not late though. It is not late. It's just an advice.
Thanks for the advice, but my heart is not moved by anything. Like I said, my heart knows what it wants. Can I go now? Moreover, any call I receive is not from her. Oh! Ifnaya. Look at Ifnaya. Hey! Ifnaya that I just dashed leggings. Dashed leggings like yesterday. But wait though. I thought they said a beggar has no choice. In fact, choices. If there is any word like choices, this one has it. No. This girl don't know how to sit. Ifnaya!
Young man, I have gone through your profile and your proposal. I have seen your track record from your clients and all. But I am a king that is not moved by all of that. But that's by the way. Can you handle this contract?
Yes, Your Highness. I can handle it. Like you rightly said, you have gone through my profile and you have seen and also heard the testimonies from my clients. That's a little conviction that I can handle this contract if given opportunity.
Well, let's keep in touch. I am preparing to travel abroad. So, let me see what I can do.
Okay, Your Highness. I beg to take my leave now.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Take, select whatever you want. And you do that bad,
What is going on here? Can anybody remember? Can somebody tell me what is happening here? My prince, can you remember? Prince?
Don't mind the food. He likes to call me Prince. I look like all this.
No wonder. Photo. Who dash monkey banana Prince? For this kind of compound, Prince go first for this kind of environment.
Don't tell
you now.
That's why we would do so.
I tell you, not try and again, no Prince.
Don't mind this.
Now also Prince.
Don't mind this stupid blood.
Okay. Just speak and be happy.
You like this one?
I like him. Thank you.
No wala now. Small thing.
Bend down, sir.
No, check well.
Don't try him again, no.
There you go. I know that one like.
Don't try that.
Far can be free. Far can be happy. Far can be happy.
All right now.
Bend down, select.
My prince.
Who's your prince? Who's your prince? Who's your prince?
Ogafam.
Jot.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Please, what is the meaning of this? How can you dash our clothes and shoes out? What are we going to be wearing?
Okrika.
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 Ginonye.
Bend down, select. Eh? That is what people hear. That is what they wear. If we must fit into this community, we have to look like them. We have to smell like them. We have to talk like them. We have to dress like them to fit in. Okay, we are here on a mission. We're here on a mission. Don't spoil this mission for me. What did you expect? So all the fine clothes that we brought from Amana, we'll be dressed looking like, they will now look different. They start suspecting us. Use your head.
Hey! Who is the brain behind this? Kedonya na me here. You mean here? But my prince.
Hey! Are you?
My Oga. Sorry.
Who's your prince? What's my name? What's my name?
Everybody knows.
What's my name?
Ogafam.
What's my name?
Ogafam.
What's my name?
Ogafam.
Idiot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
That's how you almost blew our cover now. My face, my face.
Ogafam. Ogafam is the code.
I will use a machete on your head.
Okay. Ogafam. Hey! Hey! Ooh! See, let me tell you, if not that I took an oath to protect you, I for don't kidnap you. I for kidnap you. Go sell you to any farmer who I know. Now, see you. We never even suffer finish for this mad woman house. Will you bring me come? Now my shoe, my clothes. Hey! Can you imagine? My Balenciaga, my Valentino designers. You were born in the number of towels. Thereabouts.
Mr. Henry, why do you keep disturbing my madam about me? Why?
Ifunanya, how on earth do you want me to prove that I love you?
Henry, I have told you several times to give me time. Listen, I like you, but as a friend. Give me time, that is all I asked for.
And for how long will I give you this time?
Mr. Henry, I told you that I have been broken so many times. I just need time to get my head straight, and that is exactly what you should do.
It's okay, it's fine. It's fine.
So tell me, what about the meeting you told me about, the one you had with the king?
I don't actually know what is wrong. The king wants to give me this contract, but why he's slowing the whole thing is what I don't know about. Or is it that he does not trust me or something?
Then I think you should buy his trust. Prove to him that you can deliver.
I mean, the way you speak, you don't look like someone that serves in that buka. Please, Ifunanya, can you tell me about your educational background?
My parents died during my senior secondary school examination. I had to drop out of school while my younger sister continues, and I've been taking care of her since then.
Then let me come in. Let me at least ease the burden for you. I can send the two of you abroad to school, and I can be that angel for you.
Well, Mr. Henry, thank you, and thank you very much, but I'll pass. All right?
Sure, you're happy with that?
Yes, I'm fine. I need to rush back to the shop.
Welcome back, my prince.
Yeah, Chido's here. Our new boss.
Eh?
Yes.
Boss for what?
Made a good choice. For commercial purpose. Come, let me tell you something. We cannot be in this town and be idle. So I thought it wise to look for something that we can do for money. So I got us this bus. It's in top condition, so we use it for commercial purpose. We pick passengers. I'll be driving, and then you will conduct.
Hey!
Yes.
My prince!
Yes?
Did you hear yourself? Did you hear yourself?
What is it? Why are you shouting?
My prince.
You are not going to spoil my plans here. Stop calling me your prince. I have told you. If people here find out who I truly am, Chidozie, I am going to chop your head off before my father gets to you. Am I clear?
I'm sorry, my prince.
That bus is for commercial purpose. We cannot just be loafing around here. We have to do something for money. That's how it's going to work. Okay? I be the driver, you be the conductor. You get passengers into the bus, we take them from point A to point B. That's what we're going to do. What, you have a problem with that?
Hey! God forbid. I reject it in Jesus' name. Me, conductor. My prince. Sorry. Ogafam. Why are you reducing our level to this level? I don't understand. What is happening?
Can I ask you a question? What is your position in my life? What's your role?
I'm your special ed and advisor, my prince.
No. That's not it. Don't advise me. What is your main position?
I am your special guard.
My guard. One more question. Do you take orders from me or do I take orders from you?
I take from you.
Is that so?
Yes, my prince.
Good. We have that settled, right?
Yes.
That's our boss.
Yes, my prince.
I'm going to be the driver.
Yes, my prince.
You're going to be the conductor.
Yes, my prince.
It is settled.
Yes, my prince.
Good.
Hey! Hey! Thank you, Sir Teresa. Atawamono. Thank you, Sir Teresa. Atawamono. No. I'm instead of going to do this work, it's better I die here. It is better I die here than to do this. I won't do it. It's better I die. It is better I die here than to do this. I won't do it. It's better I die. There, anywhere you are, come and kill me. Come and take me.
What are you doing on the floor?
See, I want to consult our ancestors to know if this business will work for us.
What am I doing with this young man? Get up. Say that again. What were you doing on the floor?
I said I wanted to consult our ancestors to know if this business will work for us. Oh my God, you know. Eh?
You know what? I have nothing. Where is my food?
It's in the pot. In the pot.
What pot? That little portion that I saw in that pot. What is that? What you left for me?
I didn't know when I remained it like that too. I was tempted to eat.
And then you ate for two.
I remained small.
Chidozie, you were tempted to eat. And you ate for two.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to send you back to Amanato.
Hey!
Come here. Go in and get the food and go and buy the food. Get up!
Okay.
Go and buy the food.
Hey!
Akuna, what is it? Why is your face like this?
This is 2 months now. I've not even seen, I've not heard from my son. And now I'm worried.
Chidozie is with the prince. They are fine. Stop bothering yourself. Before you start having blood pressure, I will not take that from you.
No, he hasn't called. Nor even sent message. Nai, are you sure he's fine?
Akuna, The reason he has not called or sent message is what I cannot tell. But let me tell you something. Chidozie and the prince are fine. Ezemo said that we should not bother about it. That are okay. The prince is fine. Yes.
But, Nai, is Chidozie my son we are talking about here? Chidonwam.
Akunne. Will I lie to you? You are my wife. I'm telling you, Chidozie is he only a son? He's my son too. Nothing will happen to Chidozie. He went with the prince's cousin to look for a wife for him. They will come back and all of us will marry and be happy. So how are you? Have you eaten? What are you waiting for? Why?
I'm waiting for you to come back from Paris.
Come, let's go and eat. Come, my dear. Come, let's go and eat. It's okay.
Amuka-Bird.
Come on now, don't waste my time.
We not go Tenjo. Come down. Where are your money now? What do we do now? My money now. Yeah? My money now. Okay, money now 100 naira. Boy, from there to 50 now, 50 naira now. Huh? Now 50 naira what I get. Thank you, Mr. Mr. Bros, your money now 100 naira. Okay, now 50 naira what I know what I see, now my area be this so. I know what I know. My area be this so. Your money 100 naira. Now 50 naira what I get. Okay, now be this guy, we drop him, he can't 50 they give me. So what happened now? Okay, now 50 naira what I get. From that place to this place now 50 naira now. Take your money away. Take it. Okay, now 50 naira what I get. I don't get another money. You go collect. Come on. Take it there. You go collect. What is the sub now? You go for play. Now what I get, I don't get another money. You show me your area. My area. Bring that. Come on, also. Therefore, as soon as they behave, Antichrist, you Antichrist. Come on, go.
Does it? Calm down. Okay. I know how you feel. But you have to calm down. You see, with this kind of work that we do, you meet all kinds of people every day. You pick up different kinds of passengers. Terrible behavior. But you have to learn to cope and tolerate them. I know that you are able to get yourself together out of the respect that you have for me, because I could see the anger, especially when that little boy, who is not even up to one of the guards that we have at the kingdom, insulted you. I know. But for my sake, please, I appeal to you. This is not going to happen forever. We're not going to be here forever. It's just for a short time. Okay? Please. Calm down.
I have heard you, my prince. Can I go inside now?
Stop calling me your prince. Stop it.
I am sorry.
It's fine, you can go. One more thing, Dozie, I just remembered. Come. I don't know if you've been... Have you been making friends around here? Have you been mingling? I don't know where we can meet some beautiful girls this time. Now you're smiling,
Hey!
You're ridiculous.
Time comes to Teresa. Now you're talking, my prince. Now you're talking.
Is there somewhere you know we can go? Later in the evening?
I know where to take us to.
We have to mingle.
Oh, yes. I know where to take you to.
Please.
Oh, yes. Consider it all done. I will do that for you. Trust me.
Well, I do here, but you already know the spots.
You can count on me.
Dozie, do you sneak out of this house when I'm sleeping? Do you sneak out of this house?
I will do that for you.
For the task, I know what I want as a prince. I am ready for the humiliations. Nothing can stop me, I'm determined. Nothing can quench me, I am determined. Let me come on. This is my heritage. This is my mother's land.
Chai, you like this, look me for help too. Say you want serious relationship with me. not even short skirt, not go see for shower waist though.
Because I want you to now.
You see they talk the nonsense for man, say you want me truth. You see they yarn the nonsense for man. Oga beg talk, time na money, na daybreak I been a short time, you want to make I know the right idea for.
My dear, you see, most of these things you have just mentioned are not the things that I want with you. Look, I want something special. Something special, like you be my girl. Like,
I know they talk this nonsense again now. As you find like this, I mean you want call them wine.
I know they whine you.
Forget that thing. I beg. It be like you don't know what you there here for.
No, I'm not whining you.
Go look for your
if you give me a chance, you'll not regret it.
Just look me finish. Like all this full package, they tell me say, I beg. Can you imagine this bus driver? They tell me say he wants serious relationship with me. Hey God, no, don't even short skirt. No go see for a shower waist too. I see. Hey, Ashawo.
What's up?
I do.
But this your self, you know they even small.
Try to increase.
Baby, what's up now?
Come, this your guy. She not be tiffy.
I say my sister, my show boyfriend.
Nah, you know they pass borrow. Nah, so borrow. I beg shift, not they block customer for me.
I beg my cigar, beg. Maybe like for me. Oh.
No, they borrow pose. Come now, but which can't be all this one?
I beg, I not get in a time. I go find.
I beg they go see person.
See, let me tell you, you see this my oga with the here. My oga na rich man no, and he no end for there. Na prince wey him be, and as for me, I been special advisor and PA. Yes. Wait. Why you laugh? Wetin dey make you laugh?
Una we carry bus come here, come find a shower. Now rich man una be. You're funny, die.
Hold it there. You don't believe me?
How go believe you?
Una we don't hide finish. Come here, come find a shower. I beg, get out.
You know what? You know what? Forget it. Forget it.
Please, don't spoil market for me. I beg, get out.
You don't do now.
Hanlele, get out. With all this my package, you won't come spoil show for me.
I say my organ na rich man na prince.
Like this. Just look at yourself from head to toe. Huh? Please get out.
You don't do now. Does it? Okay. How's it go? That one, the go there tough.
This one didn't even let me get a word in. She just told me off and left.
For what suppose?
I don't know.
For what suppose? This one, self, eh? I laugh even want make me begin laugh.
Are we going to leave here empty-handed?
If you still want me to hustle, I'll still hustle for more. I'm a hustler.
Wait first.
I find finish. You won't come spoil market for me. I better get out.
Omo, it did tough this night too. What's in the happen?
Oh, wow.
Babe, borrow me your lighter, beg. My head they hot.
Wow.
Borrow me your lighter.
Eat the borrow.
Not just for today.
Come on to buy lighter, say no feedback.
Babe, calm down. It's just for today.
Go yourself.
I did my side.
Sexy. You see on our people there. Almost see that fair, fine guy. Hi. Almost this guy fine. If not be saying our boss will carry on, I know me now for all. Overtake. Because like this for you, and me fine pass.
They crazy.
Come on, yeah.
What you want? Try to say I no fine.
Call out.
It dey shake.
It dey shake.
White material.
Last night. Did you see that?
No, that is where you are lying. I did not sleep with two people now. I slept inside the bus.
Hey!
What happened?
My wristwatch and my wallet. She stopped. I can't find.
What happened? You don't pay her?
Are you stupid?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Pay her for what? Pay her for what exactly? What are you suggesting? I don't even think of something like that. See, I'm disappointed. You know me. You know that I will not sleep. I won't touch her. That's not why we're here. I sat her down after we came in yesterday. We got talking and I asked her, why do you stand up? Why are you into the kind of trade that you're into? And she told me, okay, circumstances don't want to support her and all. I said, okay, fine. Listen, you're too beautiful for the life that you're living. Let me help you. I gave her some money yesterday. You won't believe it. She was happy. We were cool. We gisted until we both fell asleep. I just woke up now, so that we can set out for the day. And I cannot find my wristwatch and my wallet.
Hey! She's not wrong with that too. But don't worry, eh? We will go back to that place. We will go back.
You see, now I know why those girls just continue to stand on the road. Because they miss out on opportunities that could change their lives for good, forever. Why? Greed! Greed and selfishness. They can't see beyond, instant gain, instant profit. Look at her. Look at the idiot that I'm trying to help. Took away my wristwatch and my wallet. Like that.
My prince, I blame you for this one.
How?
You for hide these things under your pillow. Yes. You for hide them.
How many times have I told you stop calling me? Your prince. Okay. You will get me into trouble in this community. If you spoil this quest for me, I will have your head Chidozie, will you call me your prince again?
Chris? No. You are Gafam. You are Gafam.
Come on, move, let's go to work.
Let me brush my tongue. Gafam.
Huh. This quest is getting interesting. I'll restore my wallet. Go, just like that.
Dozier!